In this video, we're going to learn how to import a workflow into n8n. Workflows are stored outside of n8n in a text file using JSON format. And what that means is it is readable and it is consistent so that you are able to share them with other people and load them up into different versions of n8n. It also means that you can download other people's workflows and load them up directly into your n8n tool. And so let's do this now. In the top right hand side, there are the three dots, dot, dot, dot. And if you click on that, there's a drop down context menu. We click on the button import from file, and that opens up a dialog, and we're able to click on a text file and select that. And it now automatically loads that text file into n8n, which then interprets it and rebuilds or recreates the workflow. And that's what you see on the screen. So we have now quite effectively imported a n8n workflow. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe.